Today we do power movements. Coming up. Alright, so today is the last day of our first week working out, and we're gonna use less weight and we're gonna use less repetition. Why we want to build that power, that explosiveness. Alright, so that's why we're gonna use less weight, less repetition. So let's get started.
I didn't think we could fall in love, broken from the start, chained to our past. We had closed hearts. We are breaking free. It's just you and me. We might fall apart, but we're running away. Can we break free? Can we break free? Can we break free? Can we?
Alright guys, this concludes day number 4. This is the last day of the first week. Good job, I'm proud of you. Let's get started. You are now in the momentum of transforming your body to the body that you've always wanted. And one thing I love about the power movements day is like we use less weight and less number of repetition. Why? To relax your muscles, because your muscles are sore all during the week, and the last day is the day to relax and to build that explosiveness, that power movements. All right, so thank you so much for following up with me during the first week. See you next week with more videos, with more value, with more workouts, and join me in my journey to better health, wealth, and relationship. See you next week. Take care. Love. Au revoir. Also, one more thing, we're starting, so see you Monday. Saturday and Sunday are rest days, so be sure that you don't go crazy with fast food. All right, so watch your calories intake and also drink a lot of water. See you Monday with a new episode with football. You'll see my football skills on Monday. All right, so take care, love you guys, and see you soon. All right, so let's talk about basics of trading Forex or cryptocurrencies. All right, so here are a few things that you need to learn. So if you're a newbie, okay, make sure to send me an email. The email will pop up somewhere here, okay, and I will send you an ebook for the basics of Forex. All right. So basically, what's Forex? It's the foreign exchange market. Okay, this is where you trade currencies. So if you want to, and currencies come in pairs. So for example, if you want to buy Euro USD, okay, that means you're buying Euro and you're selling USD dollars, and that's one of the concepts that newcomers don't understand. So let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, you're buying stocks. Let's say you're buying 100 shares of stocks in Google. All right. So if the stock rises in value, you sell it, okay, and you cash, you get money, you get profits, right? In currency, it's not like that. So if you're buying USD dollars, Euro USD, if you're buying Euro, you're selling USD. You got it? It's simultaneous trade at the same time. So, and Forex is considered the largest and most liquid market in the world. What I mean by liquid, it's the amount and frequency of trades that happens in a time period in a market. Okay, so let me give you an example. All right, so I did this research in Business Insider, and the question was, here's how much currency is traded every day. So how much currency is traded every day? And are you ready? Drum roll, please. $5.1 trillion with a T are traded daily in the Forex market. Okay, that's why it's huge. That's why it's big. And if you go down here, who trade the Forex market? Very simple. The central banks. We have commercial banks that trade the Forex market, pension, mutual, and hedge funds, multinational companies, tourist money remittance companies, and retail traders. We consider ourselves as retail traders. If you are an individual, that means you are in the category of retail traders. Okay, and what I love about the Forex market, you can trade it anywhere. So if you have like a computer or laptop or even a phone, a smartphone, you can trade as long as you have, of course, internet connection and also a trading account. And I'm going to show you how to set up the trading account in other videos. Also, how does the Forex operate? It's 24 hours a day for 5 days, opens 24 hours a day for 5 days a week, and of course $5 trillion traded daily, which is the largest, which makes it the largest market, the largest financial market in the world. Okay, and it's liquid. That means the highest market liquidity globally. That means the frequency of and the rate of trading the currencies. Okay. So this video just an example. I just want to give you some basics about Forex, so bear with me here. So the bottom line is the volume of Forex currency exchange is growing fast and the opportunity is huge. That's $5 trillion traded daily. This is a mind-boggling number, isn't it? And to give you some perspective on that size, it's about 10 to 15 times the size of how much stock, the volume on all the world stock market combined. That's why it's very, very important to understand this. That's why it's very, very important for you to join on this amazing opportunity. All right? Okay, so yeah. So we're talking about the market that exchanges trillions of dollars daily, and of course, if you're willing to work smarter and harder than the 90% of traders out there, you can carve your piece of that. Okay, that's why it's risky, yes. And we're gonna talk about in another video the truth about Forex, but one of the truths that most people don't know, it's harder than you think. So some people like sell you on the idea it's easy, anyone can trade the Forex market, but it's not easy. It's simple, okay, if you know exactly the 4 pillars. I'm going to teach you the 4 pillars in other videos, but for now I just wanted to give you the basics. And yeah, if you know exactly what you're doing, then you can reduce the risk, and of course you end up making profits. Okay, so if you see how how huge this opportunity is, and you want to become a profitable trader, then this channel is for you. Again, send me an email. I'll send you the book of the learning Forex for dummies. Okay, and yeah, we can start if you're curious and if you're interested. All right, so yeah, so these are the basics of Forex, and the same techniques apply for cryptocurrencies as well. Cryptocurrency is a little bit different because cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other different cryptocurrencies, is a digital currency in which encryption techniques are used to regulate the generation of units of currency and verify the transfer of funds operating independently of central bank. Anyway, that's gibberish. Just think about it like as a digital currency, and the same techniques apply whether for Forex, for currency pairs like EURUSD for example, or for stocks, or for cryptocurrencies. I know you might, if you are new to this, you might be overwhelmed, but again, we're gonna explain like everything in steps, so don't worry about this. All right, so that's it for the tips, Forex trading tips of the day, Forex cryptocurrencies tips of the day. If you want to learn more, send me an email, I'll send you the book, and then we can start from there. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, go work out. All right, today was an amazing workout. It was light, you know, like for example when you start working out, for example if you do 8 reps for, I don't know, 25 kilos or 12 pounds, and then you have this day, the power movement day, where you use like lighter weight and use lighter fewer reps, your body like, whoa, I'm loving this, and you like push it, and then that will create explosiveness, that will create power, and that will create speed. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Monday where we're gonna play some football. And if you don't like football, then I don't know what to tell you. You can do cardio. Anyway, that's amazing to have you here. Thank you so much for following me, and let's get started. See you guys. Thank you so much for following me in week number 1, and I'll see you next Monday. Peace. This is Saif signing out. Au revoir.